Have you ever looked at a tree or a flower and wondered, how do plants eat if they don't have a mouth? They don't go to the kitchen or open a lunchbox, but they still make their own food. Let's find out how plants do this amazing magic trick. Every plant, from tiny grass to giant trees, is like a little food factory. They use sunlight, air, and water to make their own meals. This special process is called photosynthesis. Plants need three main ingredients to make food: sunlight, their energy source; water, taken up from the roots; and carbon dioxide, a gas from the air. When these come together, magic happens inside the leaves. If we zoom in on a leaf, we'll find millions of tiny green parts called chloroplasts. They contain something special, chlorophyll, which gives leaves their green color. Chlorophyll's job? To catch sunlight like little solar panels. Inside the leaf, sunlight energy combines with carbon dioxide and water. The plant uses this energy to make sugar, which becomes its food. And guess what? Plants also release oxygen, the air we breathe. So while plants are making food for themselves, they're also helping us. They clean the air, give us oxygen, and even store energy that animals and we eat later. The sugar made by the leaves travels through tiny tubes inside the plant, from leaves to stem to roots. That's how the whole plant grows tall and strong. Without sunlight, water, and air, plants couldn't make food, and life on Earth would stop. That's why sunlight is so important for every living thing. So how do plants make food? Through photosynthesis, turning sunlight, air, and water into energy and oxygen. Pretty amazing, right? Stay curious, kids, and next time you see a green leaf, remember, it's busy cooking. Thanks for learning with Curiously Kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical lessons. Bye-bye.